Welcome back. Today, we're going to use one of the most powerful techniques for improving your English speaking skills, shadowing. If you've never tried shadowing before, don't worry. It's very simple. You'll listen to a sentence, then repeat it immediately. Don't stop to translate. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as you can. Remember, the goal isn't to speak perfectly the first time. The goal is to train your mouth and your ears to work together. Every time you repeat a sentence, you're building muscle memory for natural English. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Listen carefully. Good morning. It's great to see you. Now repeat. Good morning. It's great to see you. Excellent. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Repeat. I hope you're having a wonderful day. How have you been lately? Repeat. How have you been lately? I've been doing really well, thanks. Repeat. I've been doing really well, thanks. What are you working on today? Repeat. What are you working on today? I'm finishing an important project. Repeat. I'm finishing an important project. That sounds exciting. Repeat. That sounds exciting. Keep up the great work. Repeat. Keep up the great work. Would you like to grab a coffee later? Repeat. Would you like to grab a coffee later? That sounds like a great idea. Repeat. That sounds like a great idea. I'm looking forward to it. Repeat. I'm looking forward to it. It's been a busy week. Repeat. It's been a busy week. I finally have some free time. Repeat. I finally have some free time. What do you usually do on weekends? Repeat. What do you usually do on weekends? I enjoy spending time outdoors. Repeat. I enjoy spending time outdoors. I also like reading books. Repeat. I also like reading books. Learning English is one of my favorite hobbies. Repeat. Learning English is one of my favorite hobbies. I practice every single day. Repeat. I practice every single day. Consistency is the key to success. Repeat. Consistency is the key to success. I believe small steps make a big difference. Repeat. I believe small steps make a big difference. Now let's practice a few useful expressions that native speakers use all the time. No worries. Repeat. No worries. This expression means, it's okay. Sounds good. Repeat. Sounds good. Native speakers often use this instead of saying, that's a good idea. Give me a second. Repeat. Give me a second. It means you need a very short amount of time. I'm just kidding. Repeat. I'm just kidding. People use this after making a joke. I'll be right back. Repeat. I'll be right back. This means you'll return very soon. Now let's work on connected speech. Listen carefully. What are you doing? Native speakers often pronounce it more like, what are you doing? Repeat the natural version. What are you doing? Very good. Now listen. Did you eat? Many Americans say, cheat yet? Repeat. Cheat yet? Excellent. One more. Want to? You'll often hear, wanna. Repeat. Wanna. For example, I wanna learn English. Repeat. I wanna learn English. Fantastic. Now let's practice a short conversation using everything you've learned. Hey. How's it going? It's going great. How about you? I'm doing well. What are you up to today? I'm practicing my English. That's awesome. Keep it up. Thanks. I'm trying to improve every day. I'm sure you'll become fluent. I hope so. Just stay consistent. I will. Thanks for the encouragement. Wonderful job. Now here's a pronunciation tip that can make your English sound even more natural. In American English, we don't stress every word equally. We usually stress the important words, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, while smaller grammar words are spoken more quickly. For example, I really want to improve my English. Notice how the important words stand out. Try saying the sentence again, focusing on the stressed words rather than every single word. Another useful technique is to smile while speaking. It may sound surprising, but smiling naturally changes your voice, making it sound warmer, clearer, and more confident. Native speakers often smile during conversations, and you can hear it in their voices. Here's your challenge. Replay this lesson tomorrow and repeat every sentence again. The second time, try speaking at the same speed as the speaker. The third time, pause the video after each sentence and say it without looking at the screen. This simple routine will dramatically improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Remember, fluency isn't built overnight. It's built through small, consistent practice sessions like this one. Every sentence you repeat strengthens your pronunciation, improves your listening skills, and brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. Thank you for practicing with English Corridor today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking English every single day. If you enjoyed this shadowing lesson and want more American English speaking practice, pronunciation exercises, listening lessons, vocabulary training, and real-life English conversations, subscribe to English Corridor. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay confident, keep practicing, and enjoy your English journey.